Hi there, Sandra here from the Chauvin's Nest. Today I am bringing you 3 Trash to Treasure winter decor items and 1 Dollar Tree decor. Hope you enjoy! These 2 vases I found at the Dollar Tree just before Christmas, and I thought they had a really nice sort of crushed ice look to them. So I thought I would bring 2 of them home and fix them up to look more wintry. I've got some leftover white paint in this mason jar. I'm going to add a little bit of water and thin it down just a bit. And then what I'm going to do is simply pour it on the inside of each jar, roll it around so the inside gets coated, and it's going to turn into this beautiful white frosted look vase. Once you're done covering the inside, you're going to want to drain out the excess paint and then just let it dry. I did have to go a couple of hours later and drain out a little bit more of the paint that had settled towards the bottom. This cute little milk jug I picked up at the thrift store, and it was $2.99, and it has the raised letters milk. I like the dark brown at the top, but I'm not too keen on the beige color at the bottom, so of course out comes my trusty chalk paint in Rust-Oleum Linen White. I used some painter's tape to give the bottom a nice clean edge and then gave it 2 coats of chalk paint. I have to say that still one of my favorite things to do is peel off the paint and reveal a beautiful pattern or clean paint line underneath. I'm thinking that if anyone else is out there using painter's tape, you probably enjoy this too, so hopefully I'm not alone. I'm not sure if you're like me, but I tend to keep candles that are on display and that don't get burned, and then I just transform them as I need them. So this was a blue candle I had in my home for many, many years. I just took some of the craft paper with a wood look and glued it onto the candle and then painted the top of the candle white. Don't worry, I won't be burning this candle. It will still just be for display because I wouldn't want any of those paint fumes to get into my home and have anyone breathe them in. Last but definitely not least is this beautiful wooden bucket or box that I found that has these beautiful legs on it. It does look like it might have been a homemade item. I got it for $4.99 at the thrift store, and it's really nice and heavy and sturdy. I'm going to use Rust-Oleum Linen White chalk paint, and I'm going to give it 2 nice coats. I'm painting the bottom first, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint the interior as well. And this time I'm not doing any distressing. I'm going to keep it solid white. I want it nice and clean and fresh looking for my winter decor. Using my favorite stencils, these are really large letters. I picked this stencil up at Michael's, and I'm going to write the word cozy on the bottom, and then I'm going to freehand let's get on the top. This time I'm not using my paint pen. I'm going to just use a color of gray acrylic paint and a fine art brush and just fill everything in. I've got all of these items displayed in my home. If you haven't checked out my winter home decor tour, I'll link that here. Please go ahead and take a look at that as well. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I'd love for you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video, and click the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Bye for now.